Hey guys, welcome back to Knowledge Like CATIA practice model tutorial series. In this video, we are going to design this simple model. You can see in your screen, this is the model that we are going to design in this video. So let's start. I'll just take a part here, go with the OK. Now I will choose here XY plane and go for the sketch. Start with the circle, click on this circle like this and just draw a line like this. This is enough. Now I need to go for the dimension here. Click on this here, which is click on the constraint, and I'll give this here. This is having the radius 75. So change it from here itself and give the radius value, which is 75. Now I need to give one dimension from this point to this. Right click, give the horizontal distance. Click on this and give here horizontal distance, which is 135. And I want to give the dimension from here to here like this. Give the dimension here, which is 20. Now I'll go for the trim command and I want to trim this. Click on this here. I'll trim this portion, and you can do the mirror also. Click on this mirror, this with respect to this, and once again you can trim this portion like this. Now click on the corner command here. You can see here you have the corner, so click on this and give the corner here like this, and here also I will give one more corner like this. For both the corner, I'll be giving the distance, which radius 75. Here also I'll be giving once again 75. Now you can see your sketch is getting fully defined, and as well as your sketch is ready. So come out from the sketch. Now you can see this is your sketch. Now I will go for the plane selection. Click on the plane and click on this sketch. And I want to get a plane over here, so click on this point. You can see here which is normal to that point and passing throughout that sketch. Just go with the OK. Click on this plane and go for the sketch. Now you see here it's looking like this here. Just go for the circle once again. Make one circle anywhere like this and draw one more line. Take profile from here to here. Now you see I'll go for the dimension here. This I'll be giving the dimension for this line, this circle. This circle is having the diameter or radius. I'll be giving radius here 20. So give a value there 20. This point and this line, you can see here this point has got selected. This point and that point, right? Give the dimension, right click, go for the coincident. Now you see here the sketch is getting fully defined. Just make it normal to the plane once again. You can see here that line is not fully defined. The reason, you can see what is the reason. Make it like this, and this I will just give one dimension here. Right. Click on this, right click, give the direction coincident. Now once again I'll go for the trim command and I'll trim this portion. Now you see here your sketch is ready, so come out from the sketch. Now go for the rev command here. You can see, click on the rev. Now you see your profile is already selected. Now you need to select the path. So here center curve, in the sense path. Now just go with the OK. Now you see here your model is looking like this. I'll select that plane and go for the sketch here and just go for the tool here. You can see we have here tool called project 3D element. So just project this edge, this edge, this edge. Now you see your sketch is getting ready over here, so come out from the sketch and once again you need to go for the pad. In the pad I need to go for the both the direction. You can see in this direction it is coming 20, so same I want to get on other direction. Just keep the mirror extend option on and just go with that. Now you see here the model is looking like this. Now I will choosing this pane and go for the sketch. I'll change here view mode. Now if you want, you can project this also, like you can project this. Now I will go for the 3-point arc. So click on this here, 3-point arc. I will choose here limit. So I'll start from this point to this point and I'll draw an arc, and I'll be giving this radius here. So go for the dimension, and I'll be giving here this radius which is 100. Now I will draw here once again one more line. So from this center point to this. Now see, this line is fully defined here, but I need to do some more operation here, and even you can just give one trim. Now you can click on this trim command, and I will trim this portion. I will go for this trim here. Yes, I want to trim. Now you see, this is not getting fully defined only because of we have trimmed this portion. You can give here random dimension like this and come out from the sketch. Now you see your sketch is getting ready, so go for the shaft command here. So click on the shaft, and I will choose here, this is my axis of revolutions, and let it be here 360 degree, and just go with the OK. Now you see here your model is looking like this. Now I will select this face and go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane, and you can click on the fit to scale. Once again normal to the plane, so you'll be getting this side. Now I will draw here 2 circles. So click on the circle once again. Now click on this circle. Once again I will draw here one more circle like this. Then go for the dimension here. So I will give the dimension for this, which is 55. See here, you could project this edge also, but I have taken here circle, doesn't matter. For this I'll be giving the dimension which is radius 20. So click on this and just give the value radius 20. Now you need to draw here one line like this. From anywhere you can just draw it like this. That little bit zooming. Now click on the circle and draw a circle from this point like this. I need to give the dimension for this circle here first. So give the dimension for this circle. The circle is having the diameter 20. So I'll be giving here the value diameter which is 20. You can see radius 10 is I'll be giving here. And now just go with the mirror command. Select this line and click on the mirror. And I will go for the mirror about this and just go with the OK. Now you see, I'll go for the once again quick trim. Trim this. I will trim this, I will trim this, I will trim this. Now I will just go for this is fine. Now come out from this quick trim and just select this and convert into construction mode. Now I will go for little zoom in here. Now you see here, it's not close sketch, so for that I will click on this here, quick trim, and I will trim this portion and this portion. Now just come out from the sketch and go for the command here, pocket. Now you can choose here up to next and just go with the OK. Now you see, I'll just go for this here and I'll select this command here, pocket, and go for the command here called pattern. So click on this and I will be giving here number of input which is 4, and I'll choose here complete crown. And in the reference I will choose here this and just go with the OK. Now if you want, you can hide all the planes. Go to the tools and go for the height and go for the plane. Now you can see here your model is getting ready. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get such type of more tutorials on SolidWorks, CATIA and other softwares. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.